Hello everybody, been a while. So this video is going to be a bit more basic than normal because I don't have a computer at the moment, so I've done all this on the iPad, which has been quite a challenge. My iPad's very slow, but here it is. Well, change of scene, we're not at the boat today, so what is this mysterious object we have in front of us here? Well, so I researched getting plastic tank made, aluminium tank made, stainless steel tank, and it was all going to cost lots and lots of money. And then I had a really good look at this, my old tank, and it was only just the bottom and around where the outlets were that had gone rusty, where I'd geniusly left water in it. So I went up to a little workshop just up the road and said, "You couldn't fix that for me, could you?" And the answer is yes. Look at that. So basically welded a new bottom in for me and put in 2 new outlets. So that's just wonderful. So the rest of this I'll just rub down. The inside is not at all rusty. It's just a bit of surface rust on the outside. But he quoted me for doing that and I agreed, and it was £160. But he did something else for me. Put on new studs for the top, which is just fantastic, and didn't charge me any more for doing all that. What a great guy. So this is going to be fine. I'm probably going to put in a fuel sender there, to capacitive sender, so that I've actually got an electric fuel tank gauge rather than the sight glass that I had on the front, which, although it's good in one way, but what actually was happening with that was because the valve and everything was so cumbersome, it was putting a lot of stress on all the fittings. But I'm very pleased with this. It's going to save me. It saved me a lot of money. So that's a very cheap way out of that issue. Yeah, so that's it. So all I've got to do now is try and get the damn thing back through the hatch, and that's why I cut these off in the first place. But with more time and effort, I think I'll be able to get it through. The main reason, excuse me, the main reason I snapped those off was because I thought I was throwing this tank away, and I just needed to get it out, and my patience was running out, and it was late and all that. We'll probably have to cut these down a bit, but that's fine. But that is very nice of them. It looks like a great job. I had a good look inside, and it looks like it's welded very well indeed. Hopefully it won't leak, because I don't think they've tested it, but never mind. What I will do, with that in mind, what I will do is I'll blank the bottom holes off, and I'll tip a load of diesel in it and just let it sit for a while and see if it leaks. So just so you can see there, look, that's great. Okay, so just going inside, you can see quite a nice job there. You can see the rest of the tank is in fine fettle, just a few bits of surface rust, but nothing. So once I've got fuel back in that, it will be fine. Needs a big clean out because it's got a load of dirt and stuff in there, And yeah, you can see here it looks like they've put new pieces in rather than just cut the old ones out. So that's also just great. What a great little job that is. So what we're going to do, I'm going to create some hooks out of old coat hanger, and actually that might just do it like that, mightn't it? And hang it on. I've got a sort of a clothes drying thing here. I can hang it on that. So let's just go all out custom mode. Right, that's that. So this is where we're at with the tank. That's, I painted the outside. That's the new bottom. It's looking absolutely smashing, as you can see. That's going to be really good, I think. Inspection hatch, which the chap kindly welded new studs on for me. I've got myself some cork, and I'm going to make myself a cork gasket, and I'm going to do that now. Okay, so let's make a gasket. Let's cut this out. A sharp knife, hopefully be able to just cut straight round. Let's have a look at that. So I've marked the holes as well, where the holes should go, so that's nice. So I've got those marks there. So all I need to do is get my tool and bang, bang, bang. Right, let's go. Cool, okay, that's nice.
I've probably seen something like this, it never goes well, but this is crisp, clean, and effective. If you get the right end, that is. If you use the wrong end, it's neither crisp, clean, nor effective. It just makes a funny noise, and you blunt your tool. Okay, I read up, and apparently cork is a good gas material for a diesel tank, so that's it. That will now simply fit over these holes. I mean, over these. It's still got me in shot of it. Anyway, I'll show you once I've done it if you can't see me. So that's that.
The biggest constraint that I have with this tank now is getting it back in through the hatch. Now I took it out by myself, but I'm going to have somebody help me put it back. But that's lovely, right? So I'll be able to tighten down nicely on that. And then I want as little showing on these threads as possible, because I think this is that from there to there, I think is the narrowest way through. So we'll just cut it out now, so that it's like a gasket. So there we go. There we have a gasket. Yeah. So basically, that's how that's going to sit in the top of the tank. Rubber seal there. Got my cork gasket there. Screw those down, cut them off, and then the tank can go in.
That's it for this update. Hope you got something from that. I'll be getting updates out much quicker now. I've got lots of film that I've done. I've just been really unable to edit it, but I think the new computer's coming, or my computer's being fixed. But anyway, it should be the next few days. I should be able to get you another update. Thanks for sticking with me, and see you soon.